Someone told me long ago there's a coming for the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain on a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hard. I know, been that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know, it can't stop, I wonder. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Coming down on a sunny day.
I think that's easier to sing.
Mm.
I think so. What do you think, Anna?
That was easy. Yeah. I need to.
Yeah, if all the three of us could sing, I'm sure Julie.
Need to. hang on.
Yeah, so I'll send Graham a sheet.
So what's that in?
That's in A.
Okay.
Yeah, it's quite a shift, but it does make a difference.
Yeah, that's on in which. Yeah.
I mean, we must have performed it a couple of times
We
before
have.
we've got through it.
It's
We've
never
got
kind
through
of-
it, don't
yeah,
we?
It's
Quite
always, I've always
Yeah, I've
found it
never
really
really noticed. I mean, I prefer the other song, the San Francisco Bay.
I like this one,
from,
actually.
I think it's a nice song.
Yeah.
But I've just always struggled singing it.
Yeah. Yeah. So
It
yeah.
always sounds wrong to me.
Yeah.
Sounds as if I'm in the wrong key or something.
Yeah.
To me.
Yeah, well, I was
Yeah.
struggling with
No.
it.
Yeah.
Because, you know, we did try it. We tried it on whatever it was, 5 C major, and it just didn't work for me either. So I don't know how we got through before.
I think your singing is kind of there on this.
Mm.
Oh, yeah,
Which
it is.
Yeah. I definitely need to stay lower on this one.
Interesting one.
I get into it.
We'll see what happens next time. Graham has a measure with us.
That's what you say.
He'll say, I can't trust to leave you alone for one Friday.
Yeah, I can't leave you alone
Change
for one
with-
Friday, you
Well, yeah, I've only got 2 songs, and you bloody well changed one of them
Completely-
by
completely
a tone
changed.
and a half.
Completely change. Yeah, tone it out. Yeah.
Heyo.